Hello everyone, welcome to the Next Tech Minds tutorial. Are you curious about how machines can think, learn and make decisions? Then you are at right place. So let's dive into the world of artificial intelligence and machine learning. Alright, so what exactly is artificial intelligence and machine learning? AI refers to machines or computers that are designed to mimic human intelligence. So you can see how a robot mimic the human. Think about when you talk to Siri or Google Assistant or when you see recommendations on Netflix. That's all the magics of AI. AI means artificial intelligence. Now data feeding to machine learning algorithm. Let's understand how we feed the data to machine learning algorithms. So here are some images of cats and dogs which is labeled data because they are named as cat and dog. You can see the labels at below, cat and dog. The model training is happening. After that, for testing, we provide the dog image. Then it will predict as a dog. So here our machine learns very well and it predicts 100%. Now let's understand what is ML. Here ML is machine learning. Now let's talk about ML or machine learning. While AI is the big picture, ML is a part of AI that allows computers to learn from data without being explicitly programmed or for every task. अभी इसका क्या मतलब है? अभी हमें जब AI ML की ज़रूरत है तभी हमें ज़्यादा कोडिंग या प्रोग्रामिंग करने की ज़रूरत ना पड़े. हम कम से कम कोड में हमारे मशीन लर्निंग एल्गोरिदम को समझा पाए. So in that case we use data which is called as data sets. That is the collection of data which is in form of number, in form of images or in form of text. That's all are the data sets. So we provide data set to our machine learning model. After that they process the data and learns from the data. In simple words, instead of telling the computer exactly what to do, you give it examples and it figures out the patterns. अभी हमने जो भी डेटा सेट में उसको एग्जाम्पल दिया है तो वो क्या करेगा, डेटा सेट में जो भी हमारे इमेजेस है, जो भी हमारा डेटा सेट है उसको फिगर आउट कर लेगा और ट्राई करेगा कि इसमें क्या पैटर्न्स है. अभी मान लो हमारा एक सॉफ्टवेयर है, हमारा एक सिस्टम है, हम जो कि बना रहे हैं इज इट अ डॉग और इट इज़ अ कैट. इसका हमें प्रेडिक्शन करवाना है. तो सिंपली वो क्या करेगा, कैट्स के इमेजेस के जो भी फीचर्स है, उसका फेस कैसा है, उसका ईयर्स कैसा है, उसके पैर कैसे है, उसका बॉडी शेप क्या है, तो ये सारे फीचर्स को वो समझ लेगा और उसका एक पैटर्न क्रिएट करेगा और वही पैटर्न वो हर बार हर इमेज पे चेक करेगा जब हम उसे टेस्टिंग के लिए इमेज देंगे. सो द मोर डेटा यू फीड टू योर मशीन एल्गोरिदम, the smarter it becomes. Now let's move towards why AI ML is important. So in this video you can see the robotic arms doing surgery of human being. Now let's move towards why AI ML is important. Why should you care about AI ML? Well, it's changing everything from healthcare, finance, entertainment to education. AI-powered robots are assisting doctors in surgeries. Machine learning is helping in frauds, which is happening in bank, and even your favorite self-driving car. It is also AI-powered car. So here you can see the example of surgery which is made by AI powered robot. Isn't it surprising? Artificial intelligence and machine learning in entertainment. So you can see the robot is dancing with small girl. It's really hard to mimic like a human being. So now let's see the AI ML in education. So here is the robo arm. रोबो आर्म क्या कर रहा है, क्यूब को उठा रहा है और वो एक बच्चों को सिखा भी रहा है. So let's get started with AI/ML. So thinking of diving into AI/ML? Oh, it's not too hard, it's too easier. Let's explore. So in our next video we will see the types of machine learning algorithms. If you enjoy this video, make sure to like, comment and subscribe. For more tech content, don't forget to hit bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and remember the future is AI.